Welcome back again as we do a review of what is happening on the AfriOne Life platform, formerly known as AfriOne PMS. Maybe when you have signed up, you will see AfriOne PMS on the stuff. It's okay, don't be worried about it. PMS Life, they're all the same thing. So the PMS literally means property management and systems or security. That's literally what PMS means. So today we want to talk about insurance. When you come in, you registered, your monthly subscription is literally 10,500 and your yearly subscription is literally 126,000 naira, not rand. 26,000 naira. For South Africa, that would be less than 1,200 rand, literally. I know you'll be like, yeah, that's why you guys are chasing us back home. It's okay. Let's not go too deep on that matter. I have a video literally I've said on this. It's on the YouTube channel currently now, which says South Africa is not a xenophobic country. I've been getting a lot of hit back, but we just have to say what we have to say. So let's see what insurance is offering. But if you've not registered, all you're watching now may not make sense to you. So please go and register, and so that you can then learn how to use this. We have property as our number one menu, marketplace, hospitality, Secured. We have radio, and now we're talking about insurance. So I'm going to click number 6, which is insurance, and boom. I keep saying this, please make sure that you read what AfriOne Insurance is all about. One of the things it says, I'm going to read quickly, it says, AfriOne Insurance provide comprehensive insurance solution tailored for Africans. In partnership with global and local insurance, we offer protection for individual, family, business, community across the continent. So that you also understand that we partner with various service providers. And so with that, you can see on the menu, we have sub-menu on the insurance. We have home insurance, we have household insurance, we have vehicle insurance, we have health and life insurance, we have fire and burglary insurance. We also have tenant and landlord insurance. So yes, tenants, you can be able to get insurance, and landlord, you can also insure yourself. You can also be able, when you are insured on our platform, you can also be able to submit your claim. You can be able to track claims that you have made on AfriOne Insurance, and at the same time also you can be able to renew your policy. Number 10 here says you can be able to look for our insurance partner, the people we partner with, or maybe you just want to speak to an agent. You can also be able to speak to an agent. So I'm going to click home insurance just for you to see what is happening. This is home insurance. It's going to ask you 8 different questions, and so that you can then be able to see. And so the home insurance tells you that the premium package of home insurance, which means is 1.5% of the total value of your home. That is the comprehensive insurance you pay if you are in Nigeria. But if you're in South Africa, one of our evaluators will come to your house, look at the value of your house, then give you a monthly subscription plan. For Nigeria, it's not monthly. For Nigeria, it's yearly. So which means if your house is 2 billion, for instance, 1.5% of your 2 billion is what you then insure. So that when that house, I don't pray for any evil to happen, when something happens to the house, you can be able to make a claim with our insurance. So from 1.5% to 5% of the market value, and that is also based on location and the disaster risk. So when you want to insure with us as AfriOne Insurance, please have this understand. That's why I keep begging, read. So I'm going to go back so that we've just talked about home insurance. Then we have household item. For household item, it could be your shoe, your watch, your phones, your gadgets, your televisions, your chairs and stuff. So you can be able also to insure that. And that premium covers is from 1.5%, obviously depending on the value of the property or the value of a household item, and also to 7% of the total market value, via movable or non-movable. Non-movable will be like your chair that is at home. Movables are your phones, your handbag, all those things you carry around. So that is that for household item. Now let's go to, still on the insurance, let's also look at vehicle insurance. So we have a vehicle insurance, and on the vehicle insurance, literally it tells you that the premium for vehicle insurance is 6% of the vehicle value. Rate differs for persons and also via commercials. So which means if you are using your car for personal use and not commercial, the rates for the comprehensive package differs from that of the people who uses their, for example, use your car for Uber or Bolt. It's a different ballgame entirely. So we also have what we call third-party insurance, and we have third-party fire and theft. We also have comprehensive insurance, and we have fleet insurance. Maybe you own a logistic company and you also want to insure. Why not? You can literally be able to be on our platform, which is known as the AfriOne life for you to be able to enjoy what we offer. So I'm going back again so that you can see. So we have health and life insurance. So on health and life insurance, here it says it's based on your age and your health condition. Obviously, you can't come and insure when you know that you are quarter to go. At least you have life. And this is the thing here. Let me encourage men. I know that this look like to me look like an attack, but with the way the life expectancy of man is going currently now, please, you cannot leave your family stranded, knowing too well that I think somebody was saying to me a few days ago, he says, literally, if God help you, you cross 40 is a miracle. I say, wow, I've crossed 40 and I'm grateful to God. But at the end of the day, that is not right. At the end of the day, it's really not right. Because why? There's a lot that men go through. Literally, sometimes men die mentally before they even die physically. So please get yourself an insurance. Please do get yourself an insurance. So when you are insuring with us, it tells you that there is a non-refundable consultation fee of 20,000 naira required to submit your application. So whether you are doing for individual health insurance, family insurance, group health insurance, life insurance, critical illness, and also maybe personal, accident insurance. So all of that, it will ask you 8 different kinds of questions. And as soon as you fill those questions, voila, we get the information. We help you cover that very particular stress of looking for proper insurance. We can help you do that simply because you are just paying us 10,500. Imagine paying 10,500 and we're literally taking your stress away from you. And I don't understand why you still enjoy going through stress when we are saying with 10,500, you don't have to go through all of those very particular stress. So I'm going to do back again so that I can then be able to just do a run through. So we have fire and burglary, we have tenant and landlord, and like I said, you can also submit claims, and also you can track your claim, and at the same time also you can speak to an agent. So literally, that is just everything when it comes to insurance. You can see tenant and landlord. So if I click landlord, it will now start asking me questions around my property and all of that I want to insure at the moment. So with that being said, I want to encourage you to please use the link that is available on this very particular video, whether it's the WhatsApp number or the Telegram number, for you to definitely communicate and also get yourself on board for as low as 10,500 naira. All of these features, literally, that's what you are getting. It's almost free, to be very honest, because we're taking a lot of stress from you. And if you say you still like stress, well, but if you know you just want a certain level of peace of mind, why not? Come on board and join us at AfriOne Life as we together form an ecosystem that we all can enjoy. I'll see you on the next video. So I'm going to click main menu. Voila, it brings me back to the main menu. I never can tell. The next video we're going to be doing, chances are, is going to be adversary, and also AfriOne show. We still have investment, we still have charter cars, foundation, and all of the other things that is available here. So one more time, if you've joined the AfriOne Life, I want to say congratulations and thank you for joining. Please and please explore this platform. I'm currently doing this video from the Telegram account. You can also do your own. You can also onboard via WhatsApp, but I would prefer, don't ask me why, I just choose Telegram. It's quite easy because I could see all of these menus popping out. If you ask me what's my preferred choice, I'll tell you Telegram. But if you know you're not friendly with Telegram, then you use WhatsApp, then you're good. Please and please get yourself registered, get people also to register and form a new community where we can then make our continent become eco-friendly, AI powered, and at the same time also we both make money at the end of the day. I'll see you on the next production. Thank you.